Hey, Daniel here with American Hangar Projects and Aviator Flight Training. Here in front of our 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I think I've said it before, this car's been in my family my whole life. It's now time to start restoring it. I've tried starting the restoration many times. Career got in the way and that kind of stuff, but we've been working at it now off and on for about a year. Maybe not quite that long, maybe 8 months, something like that. But a lot of times I just come in here and work, and I've been really bad about videoing it, editing it. I'm going to get better about it because it's starting to get exciting. Right now, I'm going to be, just after I get done with this video, I'm going to start measuring all the decals on the car, because those are going to be coming off of the car pretty soon as we're doing more and more body work. I have the new decals on order. I just got those on order from West Coast Classic Cougar. I'd like to say thank you to those folks. I'll put a link in the description also on where I'm getting some of this stuff. Anyway, West Coast Classic Cougar has got those on order. He said they'll be here probably in a couple weeks. We have plenty to do in the next couple weeks. I'm not ready to put them on the car yet, but I'd like to have them sitting here ready to go for when we are ready. So I've had my friend Mike doing the body work. He's got a little bit of time on his hands. Well, not a lot of time on his hands, but he's got a little bit more than he had before, and so we're going to go ahead and take advantage of it. After I get all the decals all marked, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up pulling off this fender here, because the body work it does have can be done on the bench, and I'm going to start doing the suspension on the right side. Don't want me to do the body work. I really don't want to do the body work, because then I'll see every imperfection. And Mike is way better at it, and there won't be imperfections with Mike doing it. So once I get that off, I'm going to start doing the suspension on the right side. I've already done it on the left side, and here's a view of what I've gotten done. Unfortunately, I didn't video this when I did it. I was just excited to get working, and it was a lot of just time that was on my own to just enjoy working on the car. But I will be documenting the right side, and I'll show you a comparison when I start in on the right side of what they look like, what before and after should be. I still have to put some grommets in. Got the brand new fuel line run. I've got a couple of brake lines that I'm going to run. I just want to get, I'll get those run as soon as I get everything out of the other side. I don't want things in my way, but yeah, it's coming together. Body work, let's see, down the driver's side, we've gotten a bunch of the big lumps out of the way, mostly just seeing how everything's coming together. I will be taking all this stuff down. We just threw paint over the top of that. We still have to take out the dents. I still have to take off the paint and all that kind of stuff as we get ready for that. It had some pretty nasty rust right here in the back. This car came from the dealership. My dad bought it off the dealership floor in 1970, and it came off the dealership with this half Landau top. And it was a very cool canvas look. I've decided I'm going to put it back on the car. I know I've got a few people that don't like the idea of that, but this is how this car has always been. It's how my dad had it. There's a few things on the car that I'm going to keep on the car that aren't original, but that's because, you know, my dad found them to be good things. It's kind of part of the history of the car. Inside of the car, I've got the firewall and everything ready to accept the overhauled heater core box and everything. Everything's ready to go on that. The lower dash and the upper dash are right now covered up under plastic. They are ready to go. I've got those 100% ready to go. You can see all the floorboards and everything are clean in the car. I've gotten all the rust. It had a little bit of surface rust that was behind the, up there at the top, that was between the roof insulation, and that's all taken care of. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I've got a couple of solutions, I think, for under the engine compartment that'll be coming up here pretty soon. I'll be pulling out, pretty shortly I'll be taking off all the trim, taking out the rear lights, taking off the bumper, obviously, all the little pieces, and with any luck, we'll be making some real progress on the body and paint here pretty soon. And I'm taking advantage of Mike while he's got the time and got the desire to help out, and I can handle the mechanical stuff if he can handle the paint stuff. After I got lots of stuff going on. It's a lot of fun. Right now, with everything going on in the world, this is a great place to be. I can sit here, I can work on my car, I can process all the other stuff that I have to deal with on the business side, on the aviation side. It's kind of been my way out, and I'm excited to share it with you. So that's a quick update with where we are on the car. I'll be sending out some more stuff here pretty soon, and hopefully you enjoy it. So we'll catch up with you here soon. Thanks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click that thumbs up button and let us know that you enjoyed it. Also, follow American Hangar on Facebook and Instagram, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.